Hello, today we'll be showing you how to make a thankful Thanksgiving turkey. Let's get started. You will need 6 colored popsicle sticks, a black marker, some school glue, some wiggle eyes, orange and red construction paper, and 1 brown foam sheet. Start by drawing a 3-inch circle and a 2-inch circle and cut them out. Now choose 2 wiggle eyes for the turkey's eyes, and then we're gonna also place them on the head to see where they go, and then add some glue and stick them onto the head. Now we're going to take orange construction paper and draw a triangle for the beak and cut it out. And then we're going to add glue to it and stick it on the turkey's head. Next, you're going to take a red construction paper and cut out a bean shape for the snood, which sticks onto the turkey's nose. So just cut it out and then add some glue and stick it right above the triangle. The next step is to add some glue to the top portion of the turkey's body and stick the head on. Then we're going to lay out our popsicle sticks, which will be the tail of the turkey, and we're going to write some things that we are thankful for. So you can write some names, also some items, anything you want. And then we're going to line them up and then just see where it goes and put glue on the bottom portion of the popsicle sticks and stick the turkey on top. While we're waiting for our turkey to dry, we're going to draw 2 L shapes, one of them backwards, for the turkey legs. And then we're going to cut out these 2 L shapes and glue them to the bottom of the turkey. And there you have it, your thankful Thanksgiving turkey.